ऑब्जेक्टिव है, तो ए नंबर है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडस्ट्री आर नॉट क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइज। इसका आंसर होगा आयरन एंड स्टील। सेकेंड है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडस्ट्री इज नॉट मिनरल बेस्ड। इसका आंसर होगा पेपर। थर्ड है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मैन मेड फाइबर। इसका आंसर होगा कॉटन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिटीज इज एसोसिएटेड विथ IT इंडस्ट्री। द बेंगलुरु। स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ विच टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री। इसका आंसर होगा पब्लिक सेक्टर। तो अब उसके बाद है मैच द कॉलम। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है सिलिकॉन वैली। सिलिकॉन वैली क्या है, तो इसका होगा इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। दूसरा है इनपुट्स एंड आउटपुट्स। इसका होगा इंडस्ट्रियल सिस्टम। तीसरा है इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन। इसका होगा मुंबई एंड पूना। फोर्थ है कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री। इसका होगा पोट्री। फिफ्थ है अहमदाबाद। इसका होगा मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडिया। अब सी नंबर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट है ब्लैंक्स इंडस्ट्री यूज प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स प्रोडक्ट एज रॉ मटेरियल। इसका होगा आर्गो बेस्ड। सेकेंड है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइज इंडस्ट्री कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज ब्लैंक्स एंड ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट ब्लैंक्स में होगा स्मॉल स्केल एंड सेकेंड में होगा लार्ज स्केल। थर्ड है एन इंडस्ट्रियल सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ ब्लैंक्स ब्लैंक्स एंड ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट में होगा इनपुट, सेकंड में आउटपुट एंड थर्ड में प्रोसेस। फोर्थ में आयरन ओर इज स्मेल्टेड इन अ ब्लैंक्स। इसका होगा ब्लास्ट फ्यूरेंस। फिफ्थ नंबर है द ब्लैंक्स ऑफ ढाका एंड ब्लैंक्स ऑफ मुसलीपट्टनम वेयर फेमस वेराइटीज ऑफ इंडियन कॉटन बिफोर द ब्रिटिश रूल। फर्स्ट में होगा मुसलिन एंड सेकंड में होगा चिंटीज। राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन द फॉलोइंग। फर्स्ट है आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री। इसका होगा आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द बेसिक इंडस्ट्री बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड द बेसिक रॉ मटेरियल नीडेड for all other industry. The finished product of this industry are used as raw materials by many other industries and hence it is also referred to as the feeder industry. Second है industrial region. इसका होगा a region with a high concentration of industry is called an industrial region. The industries in an industrial region use each other product and also make use of labor that has settled around the industry. Third number है small scale and large scale industry. Small scale industries employ a small amount of capital, have a small workforce and use a small machinery for production. और large scale industry का होगा industry which manufacture goods on a large scale, make huge investment, have heavy and superior machinery, employ a large workforce and have a proper management system, can be classified as a large scale industry. Fourth है cotton textile industry. Cotton textile industry is the oldest industry in the world. In India, cotton textile industry flourished even before the British rule and Indian handloom cloth was known all over the world. अब इन नंबर क्वेश्चन है गिव शॉर्ट आंसर फॉर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट नंबर है क्लासीफाई द इंडस्ट्रीज अकॉर्डिंग टू ओनरशिप। इसका होगा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओनरशिप इंडस्ट्रीज कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज प्राइवेट सेक्टर, पब्लिक सेक्टर, ज्वाइंट सेक्टर एंड कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर। सेकंड नंबर क्वेश्चन है विच आर द मेन स्टील प्रोड्यूसिंग कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। इसका होगा द स्टील प्रोड्यूसिंग कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आर USA, UK, रसिया, जापान, जर्मनी एंड इंडिया। थर्ड नंबर नेम द मेजर इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। इसका होगा देयर आर 4 मेजर इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आर फर्स्ट ईस्टर्न नॉर्थ अमेरिका, द ग्रेट लेक्स, वेस्ट सेंट्रल यूरोप, रुहार सार इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन। थर्ड नंबर ईस्टर्न यूरोप, लंदन, यूक्रेन एंड यूआर इन रशिया। फोर्थ नंबर ईस्टर्न एशिया, जापान, कोब एंड ओसेका इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन। फोर्थ नंबर क्वेश्चन विच मशीन्स इन्वेंटेड इन ब्रिटेन लेड टू द रैपिड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री। इसका होगा इन द लेटर हाफ ऑफ द 18th century a number of machines like flying shuttle, carding machines, spinning wool and power loom were invented in Britain. This led to a rapid development of the cotton textile industry. Fifth number question what are alloys? Alloys are a combination of two or more metal as compound. F number है. Give long answer for the following question. First number. Why do you think industries are unevenly distributed in different continents? इसका होगा. Industry are located where conditions are favorable in their functioning. First. Availability of suitable land is an important factor that determines the location of an industry. दूसरा. Raw material is the most important item that a particular industry uses to manufacture the finished product. Hence, the industry must be located close to the source of the raw material. Third, an industry must be located in a place where power is cheap and its supply is regular and uninterrupted. Fourth number, availability of cheap and skilled labor is another factor. Labor intensive industry are located near densely populated area where labor is easily available. Second number question, compare different industry on the basis of size. इसका होगा. Small scale industry employ a small amount of capital, have a small workforce and use small machinery for production. Industry which manufacture goods on a large scale make huge investment, have heavy and superior machinery, employ a large workforce and have a proper management system can be classified as a large scale industry. Or cottage industry are a small home based industry. They are usually run by artisans and their families. Third number question, describe the components of an industrial system. इसका होगा. The industrial system makes the industrial function. The system consists of inputs, output and process. Inputs consist of raw materials, labor, power, machinery, transport and any other material and services required for manufacturing activity. Outputs are the finished product that are sold in the market and which earn income for the industry. Process include the intermediary activities required to convert the raw material into finished product. Fourth number question, what is the IT industry and how does it benefit us? Information technology deals with processing, storage and transport of information from one place to another with the help of computers. Software are used in computers for this purpose. Due to information technology, we can send or receive information from one part of the world to another sitting in our home or office. This has made communication faster and cheaper. Information technology in education helps students to learn in virtual classroom. It helps in the field of healthcare through the facility of telemedicine and maintenance of electronic health record. Information technology has proved to be a boon of business. G number question, give very long answer for the following question. First, what factor influence the location of industry? Industry are located where conditions are favorable for their functioning. Availability of suitable land is an important factor that determines the location of an industry. Raw material is the most important item that a particular industry uses to manufacture the finished product. Power is a very important factor for every industry because all machines require power to run. Water is another important factor in setting of an industry because every factory requires water for cooling, cleaning, draining of waste and many other. Second number question है, write a note on cotton textile industry. हाँ तो before the industrial revolution, the cotton textile industry functioned as a cottage industry using hand spinning machines and looms. In the latter half of the 18th century, a number of machines like flying shuttle, carding machine, spinning wool and power loom were invented in Britain. This led to a rapid development of the cotton textile industry. Gradually, textile industry developed in USA, India, China and Japan. In India, cotton textile industry flourished even before the British rule and Indian handloom. Cloth like calico of Calicut, muslin of Dhaka, chinties in Muslipatnam and gold-wrought cotton of Surat and Vadodara were known all over the world. Third number question, explain industrial disaster. इसका होगा, industrial accident or disaster can cause injuries, fatalities, damage to property and loss of production time. The main cause of disaster industry is employment of uneducated or illiterate person, which sometimes result in huge loss of money and lives. Unsafe condition like insufficient workspace and lighting, excessive noise, slippery or unsafe flooding, extreme temperature, inadequate protection. While working with machinery of hazardous materials, unstable structure, electric problem and machines malfunctions or failures can lead to industrial accident or disaster.